Welcome to the Union's YouTube channel. My name is Liv, I'm a content creator here and I am studying early years and childhood studies at MMU. In today's video, I'm basically talking to you guys about a few ways to make friends at university, because not only is it daunting making friends in the first place, now it's even trickier being an online student. So yeah, I have just thought of a few ways that I made friends in first year and now how I'm making friends in second year while online. And let's just get straight into it. First idea that I have for you guys, which I really used to make friends before coming to university and also while at uni, and that is Facebook groups. There is a Facebook group for everything. You have your accommodation page, your course page, freshers pages. Honestly, there's one for everything, and I cannot recommend you guys more than getting on that page. And honestly, do not be afraid to put a post on one of those pages just saying, oh, like, what's everyone's Instagram, so then you can follow these people and make friends from there. And if you didn't want to put that post up, then I'm sure somebody else is. Literally just search in the group Instagrams, and a lot of people's Instagrams will come up because everybody wants to plug them, and then that is already a way that you've made loads of new friends because you're following them on Instagram, they're following you back, and you know that they're like either in the same area as you, on the same course as you, or just an MMU student in general. So the second idea I have for you guys is kind of aimed at like your accommodation and making friends with the people in your accommodation. So I really recommend purchasing a doorstop, because honestly, if you keep your door open, not only are you coming across as, like a welcoming person that wants to make friends, but also when you're feeling lonely, people just walk in, you'll have chats with them. Like, trust me, people will just walk into your room, sit in your room and just talk to you. Like, it's such a nice and easy way to bond with people in your accommodation, especially, if you're getting ready and like putting makeup on to like go out one night. Honestly, ask some of the people in your accommodation to come get ready with you, because it's such a nice and easy way to bond with them. So the next idea I have for you guys is kind of making friends with your housemates once again, and that is sitting in your communal areas. So the whole of first year, I would literally be sat in that lounge watching TV the majority of the time, and people will literally just come and sit with you, because honestly, sitting in your room all that time, it gets pretty lonely. So I really recommend just going downstairs, sitting, chatting with everybody, and especially in the evenings when you aren't going out, it's just nice to talk to people, and that is a really good way to bond and make friends once again. And the next idea, which you probably guys won't listen to, but I really recommend doing it, is going to your course induction, because that is the first time you'll meet these people and the first way you can bond with them, and those first few connections are so important. I know that you're probably going to be hungover on that first morning when you have to go in, but trust me, just man the hangover, have a paracetamol, drink some water, get on into uni and make those first friendship connections. So the next idea I have for you guys kind of relates to what I've mentioned before, but that is getting as many Snapchats, Instagrams or numbers as you can. Honestly, nobody will ever judge you if you be like, oh, like, can I have your Snapchat, can I have your Instagram? Because they probably want that too. It's such an easy way to stay in contact with somebody and just message and make friends. Now, this next idea is something I really majorly regret not doing in first year, like to the next level, and that is joining a society. So people that join societies always look like they're literally having the best university experience ever. You all have some of the same interests because you're obviously in a society together, and you go to society events together. Now, I don't really know how societies are working now, everything's online. I don't really know if they're able to meet up because of the rule in 6 and stuff, but I suppose it just depends what society you join. Try not to get in the mindset is that, oh, I want to join netball but I don't play netball so I can't join. Just join it anyway, honestly, it will be so much fun. And as I said, I regret not doing it because they dress up every week and it just looks like a right laugh. So make sure you join a society. So this next idea is how I made a lot of friends, to be honest, and how I met all the people I'm living with now. And that is using existing connections that you have at the university. If you went to school or something with somebody that you know is also at the university, make sure to message them and ask what they're doing some nights and meet their friends, and they can meet your friends. And honestly, it's such an easy way to meet so many new nice people. It's a comfortable environment because you know somebody, which is obviously a lot more relaxing and a lot less stressful. Another really fun idea is just going and knocking on other flats and asking if they want to come around to your flat. And obviously this is a bit harder with restrictions because you're not allowed to do this at the moment, but when you can, make sure you're just going and knocking on other flats and asking them to come around for drinks and stuff. And the last idea I have for you guys, you're probably going to listen to this and being like, are you joking? That's just not a thing. And that is actually using breakout rooms in your seminars to your advantage. Normally, for me at least, when you're in a breakout room, everyone just sits there on mute, cameras off, and just doesn't talk. Why would you not use that small group of like 3 or 4 people to talk and actually get to know them? You are all doing the same course if you're in that breakout room together, so you have similar interests and stuff, so why not just spark up a conversation? If you're not doing the work already and you're sat there on mute, you may as well just talk to them and actually make a friend, why not? Because obviously when you're in that massive seminar, you can't be like talking to people like, what's your name, where are you from? And like you can't do that when you're in a massive seminar group. Your lecturer would be like, what are you doing? So when you're in a breakout group, easy way to make some friends. So obviously if you are finding it hard to make friends at university, if you're feeling lonely or anxious, it is so vital you talk to somebody, and we're going to leave some links and numbers and stuff in the description so you can always contact someone if you're feeling low, because it is so easy to get into the lonely headspace while at university, especially while studying online. So make sure you talk to somebody if you are feeling that way. So that is all the ideas I have for you guys today. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the Union's YouTube channel, and make sure you head over to our Instagram and follow us on there. That is where you can stay up to date on everything Manchester Met. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time with another video.